Data analytics is the use of data to help managers gain improved insight about their business operations and make better fact-based decisions on it. So how do they do it? They do it through statistics. You will have a better understanding after understanding types of data analytics. So there are basically 4 types of data analytics. They are also called as levels of data analytics. So the first one is descriptive analytics, then diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. I will explain all these concepts in parallel so that you can have a better understanding of each one of it, and you can differentiate one from another. So the first one is descriptive analytics. Let's say some event has happened and you have its outcome. So in this step you try to describe what has happened. All right, you provide the insight into past event. Once you have described it, now you try to find out its cost. So you dig deeper and find the why did this specific outcome came. This is diagnostic analytics. Now the next one is predictive analytics. So as you have the description and you have diagnosed the why of this outcome, so you can predict what will happen next. So this will be your predictive analytics. Now the last one is prescriptive analytics. Now as you have analyzed the whole situation, all right, so you can prescribe a better outcome or a different outcome. Let's say your outcome was not satisfactory and you didn't want that, so you have to prescribe that what should be done to have a different outcome that is useful. All right, so these are the basic 4 levels of data analytics. I hope it's clear, but I will also explain it through an example so that you can have a better understanding of it. Let's say you have a business of air conditioners. So if we consider descriptive analytics, so how many buyers bought air conditioners in the month of December? This is the description of your condition, of your event. All right, so this is descriptive analytics. You are describing, you are explaining the condition, the event. This is description. All right, so next, let's say you want to find out the cause. So why is there an increase or decrease in the sales of the air conditioner in this month? So this will be your why, that why did it happen. This is diagnostic analytics. Now you as you have analyzed the condition, let's say you predict about that what will be the sales of January next year, or even the whole year. What will be the sales? What are the possible sales that will occur? So this will be predictive analytics. You analyze that, and then let's say you had a decrease in the sales in the month of December, so you want to prescribe a solution to that. What should be done to increase the sales, to increase the production. All right, so this is prescriptive analytics.